Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm filming this pink eye look. It looks like this. This is requested video, so I hope you'll be satisfied with what I did. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching and of course give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll start with priming my lids. I'll use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. It's in the shade Light Ivory. And of course my brow routine will be linked below. I'll set my lids with this shade from Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette from Makeup Revolution. For transition I'm using this shade, this light mustard shade. Now I'll use this Catrice, it's gradation blush. It's in the shade Berry Bow. As you can see, it has a gradation, so I'll use a bit lighter shade right here. And I'll blend that also through my crease. Now I'm going back to this Makeup Revolution palette and I'll use this pink fuchsia shade with the same brush, but I'll focus it in my crease. Now I'm using a bit smaller brush and this dark pink shade, and I'm focusing it even more in outer V and in my crease. I'm taking this black shade with even smaller detailed brush and I'll focus it in my outer V and slightly blending it into the crease, but mainly here. I don't get it, why I always mess up this eye. I don't know, I think I'll go now with this gold shade and I'll apply it with flat brush. And I don't want that cut crease, so I want everything to be blended, that's why I'm tapping. Now I'm taking this shade, it's like, I don't know how to describe it, it's like frosty pinky shade, but I really like it. Let's see how it looks on the eyes. And I'll apply this in my inner corner and a bit on this inner part of the lid. Okay, I'm done with eyes for now. I'm gonna apply my face makeup and then I'll be right back. So stay tuned. So now I'm going to my lower lash line. And first I'll use a bit of this black shade. And I'll focus it on the outer part. I'm mixing these two pink shades and blending that black shade. I applied the lashes and now I'll apply this white Essence eyeliner in my waterline. Now I'll do my lips and then we're done. So first I'll start with this Essence lip liner, it's in the shade 01. Now to go over it I'm using this Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. It's from Rimmel. It's in the shade Be My Baby. And over it I'll apply Aura lip gloss. It's in the shade Light Caramel. So guys, this is it. This is the completed look. I hope you liked it. I like how it turned out, and everything I used on my face will be linked in the description box. And actually I'm filming this wear test for this foundation, so stay tuned for that. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And of course subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye!